Hi everyone. Today we're doing 48 divided by 4 and Louie is going to tell us how to do it. Are you going to split into 4 equal groups?
No.
You're not? Okay, what are you going to do?
Can we split this 4 into 2 and 2, so do 48 divided by 2 first?
Yeah, so you actually are going to make 4 equal groups then. Because you're going to split into 2 equal groups and then you're going to split each group into 2 more to get 4 equal groups.
Okay.
Okay, so I have 48 things here. I've got 10, 20, 30, 40, and then 48.
Yeah.
So 48 divided by 2 first. What's that?
It's 24.
Okay, so let's move them so that people can see them. So here is 10. You said it was 24. There's another 10 for one group. We'll do 10, 20.
Split that into 4.
Let's just put it beside right here for now. And we'll do that. Okay, so I'm just going to draw a line so that people can see these 2 equal groups.
That's a long line.
Yeah, so this is 48 divided by 2.
Yeah.
We need 4 equal groups, not 2 equal groups, right?
Yeah.
So 48 divided by 2 gave you 24.
Yeah.
24 divided by 2 will give you?
12.
Okay, so I'm going to take 10. And I'll take 2 of these. And I will move this up so that people can see it. Okay, and I'm going to draw a line here. And then I'm going to take this 24 and we're going to divide it by 2 as well.
Yeah.
And what do you get?
You'll get 12.
Okay, so I'll put that there. Do this. And just so people can see them. Actually, let's move this down a little bit so it's in line with the other ones. Okay. So there's 4 equal groups, right?
Yeah.
And what's the answer?
It's 12.
Yeah, and that was pretty quick, right? You just go 48 divided by 2 is 24. 24 divided by 2 is 12.
Yeah.
Awesome.
Thank you. Bye.
Hi everyone. Today Anna's going to tell us how to do 48 divided by 4. Now Anna, you like to figure out how many times 4 fits into 48, right? Or what times 4 equals 48?
Guess what?
What?
I already know that 10 times 4 equals 40.
Oh, so 10 times 4 equals 40. So let's start there. We'll bring them out.
Want to do before?
Okay, so this is 10 groups of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
There's 4 of them in each group. 1, 2, 3, 4.
And that gives us 40. But we actually need to figure out how many times 4 goes into 48.
So 1 times 4 is 4.
And altogether, what do we have here?
11 groups.
Yeah, which is how many?
Which is 44.
Yeah, and so let's bring out one more. And now we have 48.
Yeah.
And how many do we have?
We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
Okay, so 12 times 4 equals 48. So that means that 48 divided by 4 equals 12. Now, sometimes, Anna, people like to take the 48 and they split into 4 equal groups. Can you see the 4 equal groups here?
Yep.
Where?
This is 1.
Okay, so let's just draw a line here so people can see it. And I'll try to do the same thing here so people can see it. And we can do the same thing in between. And then we have 4 equal groups. And there's 12 in each group. Right?
Yeah.
Awesome.
Thanks. Bye, everyone.